We're out in the woods today. Beautiful day in the Ozarks. It's supposed to be up in the mid-60s. Definitely not the day to be staying in the house. We're going to do some trail riding. Got a friend of mine with me, and if I fall down, he can help me pick my bike back up. Boy, it's cold this morning. Jeez Louise. 37 or 6 or 7. Riding out here to get to the woods. It's kind of cold. But we are in the Irish wilderness today, which is an area in the Ozarks. It's pretty remote. It's a long ways from anywhere. Government woods, pretty large area. So we'll be exploring some of the trails here in the Irish wilderness. Stick around, we might get into something cool. You never know. I was down here a couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago. I was by myself and I got back on one of these trails and got down in I run through a creek, through a dry creek bed for a ways, and I got down in that creek bed, messed around, dumped the bike over. As luck would have it, I dumped it kind of down on a slight embankment, and it went down, handlebars downhill and wheels uphill. Boy, I like to never got this thing picked up. I ended up having to spin the bike around on its side, which wasn't cool, but I had to turn it around where the wheels were pointing downhill before I could get it picked up.
We're on 156 right now.
Let's see. Okay, we're on 156, so that we're like this. Okay, so we need to go 3170. Ooh, we're down in the sticks now. There's woolly boogers running around everywhere down here. Got a little creek running over here. Pretty sweet. I say we just go for it. Woo! Hey, we are definitely down where the hoot owls are sleeping with the chickens. These roads just go forever back in here. Moss-covered rocks. I'm guessing the sun don't shine on those very much, apparently. What are we gonna do? We got a narrow bridge. Okay, I know where I'm at. I flew the drone down here one time. Supposed to be a mill, an old mill down here. I never did find it. I got tired of, I came looking for it one day, and we're about 10 miles off the highway, and I finally gave up, turned around, went back, but there's supposed to be a mill on down here. We may run across it. Either that or we're going to come out on top of Mount Everest up here. We are going up and up and up and up some more. There's supposed to be a mill around here somewhere.
A what?
A mill.
There's one called Turner's Mill.
Is it on down the road here?
Yeah, we keep going the way we're going.
Yeah, that's the one. It's marked on the highway on 19. Where this road comes out, it says something about a mill.
We keep going that way.
Well, there's some kind of trail there you can get out and do some hiking on. Katy Trail, it says. A lot of woods in here. If you can't get your woods fix here, you just can't get your woods fix. River access. Probably ought to check that out. It's a state, got the gravel on it. The state's been taking care of it. I'm guessing this is going to be the 11-point river down in this area. I got so many rivers, sometimes I get confused which river I'm on. I don't know exactly where I'm at, but I think this one's going to be the 11-point. This is some cool country over here, I'll tell you what. We've been riding for well over an hour in this stuff. We're right in the middle of it right now. We just now got to the center of it, according to the map. It's a pretty big area. A lot of roads going every which way. We're gonna have to go down if we're gonna get to the river access. There ain't no rivers up on top of the mountain. So at some point this road's gonna have to take a dive. Yeah, this road's in pretty good shape. Wonder if they'd come and do my driveway for me. Flash flood area, that's good. That's always good. All right, here's the river access. Woo! Take a look at this. Well, that is one large gear.
The pinion gear is down there in the water.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Put that in your pickup. Get a low gear. So that's pretty big. Pretty big friggin' wheel right there. Now the bottom of that bluff comes a spring. Yeah, there's not much left of that. It's pretty much crumbled. Well, we've made it back to civilization. We're parting company here. I appreciate you all coming and spending the day with me here in the Irish wilderness in the Ozarks. I made a couple of finds today that I didn't know were down here. That big mill wheel we looked at there at the river was an old mill. The mill house itself is gone. It was a 4-story building there that had that wheel attached to the end of it. That was pretty cool with the spring coming out of the side of the mountain there. I invite you all to come back and see me. Until I catch up with you again, y'all take care of yourselves and we'll catch you later.